Hello everyone, my name is Rainey Cole, and today my dad and I are hiking out to some frozen waterfalls. It's about 15 degrees out here, and obviously as the sun goes down it's going to get a little colder. We have about an hour and a half of daylight left. There's a total of 2 waterfalls out here that we know of, so we're going to try and see if we can get to both of them. I know we're going to be hiking back in the dark, but the experience is all worth it. So follow along as we go see these waterfalls and enjoy. We've gone here like almost every winter to see these waterfalls. This time I just decided I would film it. It's kind of hard to get motivated in the winter to get out of the house and go do something a little crazy, and sometimes you don't know what you're getting into. So we're here at the waterfalls. We're just about to the first one, and we'll go out to the second one after this.
Gotta get up in there somehow.
This way to go up behind the waterfall is a bit too slip, so I'm gonna try the other side.
The bottom of the hot cups made cup holders.
Oh, that's
Automatic cup holders.
nice.
Yeah.
Well, here we are sitting behind the waterfall. It's one of the coolest things you could ever do. This is the only waterfall that I've ever been able to get behind when it's frozen, and it's really awesome in here. I would be tempted to sleep in here. The ice floor is a bit wet, but it's really cool in here.
That's the side we came in because it seemed to be the safest, so we're up pretty high. So, yeah, that's probably 12 feet down, I suppose. And then you come over to this side, and there's this corner. You go around this corner, and there's just even more waterfall over here. Going down on this side, well, we could definitely just slide down. Coming up, it seemed a little dangerous. It's supposed to slide, not tumble. If you come down, make sure you slide and not tumble.
Okay. Okay.
I think somebody spilled their lemonade right there. That's really sad.
Yeah, that's sad. I want lemonade. Well, everybody, this is going to be a wrap for this one. Getting under that waterfall, we got pretty wet. My legs are very frozen, and Dad's gloves got really wet, so his hands are cold. We didn't get to go to the second waterfalls because it's just getting too dark. We're just really cold. We have about 10 minutes to get back to the car. Legs are getting a little tingly, and hopefully neither of us walks out here with frostbite or anything. But overall, it was a fun trip and good to get out here. You just have to make sure that you have the right gear. I'll have to look into getting something more waterproof for my legs. Just if you come out here, make sure you got the proper gear on. But that's a wrap for this one. I hope you all enjoyed. And until next time, we're just gonna get back to the car.
Should I see if I can slide down? I might break a leg doing this. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Whew. Yeah, that got fast.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rainy Cole. We're out here hiking. No, okay, stop. Hello everyone, my name's Rainy Cole. We're out here hiking. Okay, you can forget that. I'm gonna start again. We're geared up properly to make sure that we have the proper gear to keep us warm. So follow along as I can't do it.